So this is Devil's Lake near Marais, where Peggy's family cabin was. Yeah, Wesley Lane, named after her father.
I wonder if this is a place that Kay would recognize.
Oh, I'm sure she would.
Yeah, this is right near there.
Yeah. Did you have anything that you wanted to say?
Okay, I'm Peggy, I miss you.
Juan Carlos?
My Peggy, you know how special is this moment, special in this place. I really miss you a lot, but just remember that the only power that kills death is love, and I still love you, and I will always remember you. Thank you.
Yeah.
You know how much I love you. You're the sister I never had. You brought so much happiness to my life. And you're always in my heart. As you know, you're my BFF forever.
Debbie?
Peggy, you know, I loved you too. We had so much fun together. You showed me so much of the world. You were always willing to do anything I wanted to do. I love you, my friend. I miss you.
Lifetime of happy memories. We cared about each other. It's just been wonderful. But I think with the way Debbie, that's the perfect ending for just to remember Peggy. That's the perfect song. I never heard it. That's really beautiful.
And we will see her again in paradise.
We will.
Yeah.
We'll be really pleased.
It was like finding your best friend, you know, but it was finding a best friend that you can kiss and you can do everything, you know, so
Yeah.
You know, and they went kayaking here. And
Yeah.
You were there to bring me joy. Well, at least you tried. Well, at least you shared. I'm with you for the ride. I'm just unprepared. We've come a long way. See how much we've grown. Let's make the best of today, despite the unknown. Please.